too emotional, my goodness. Couldn't desist in a room full of jackknife vibes. Stop talking about the years. You sound like Louis Burdett. Now we both on my back shaking, play some poker, scratch my head, look at the style and spot the planes. Where would I go on holidays? Roll with the punches down the aisles and down the streets. The weeks roll by, roll by. I'm chewing ice and grinning. I'll stew it up and spin. Boys, it's Billy's business as usual in his corner of the kitchen. Hey you, none of those that friend for it go anywhere. Well, someone might see you alone. Stop banging up the band. You sound like Louis Burdett, yeah. All my friends are fuck-ups, but they're fun to have around. But not a chairs out on the concrete, telling stories to the stars. Our Geminis love wooden dragons, yeah. Out down the streets, the weeks roll by. The moment the night wears off, I reappear. I'm all asleep, but the morning tastes like fire. It tastes so violent and I feel so fucked. I just might wake him up, pat him on the bald head, tell me about a dream, Louis. Something to say, Louis. Your life's an open magazine, Louis. In a nightclub, sex is everywhere, but nowhere around me. Nowhere. By the time she gets in my building, that's the feeling. Never rains content, it pays when I mean family, money, no lockdown here, stop talking, frustrated. Cause I sound like Louis Burdett, yeah. Now we roll on in my back shade, play some poker, scratch my head, look at the sky and spot the planes. Where would I go on holidays? Roll with the punches down the aisles and down the streets. The weeks roll by, roll by. Yeah, all my friends are fuck-ups, but they're fun to have around. And on the chairs out on the concrete, telling stories to the stars. Our Geminis love wooden dragons, yeah. How the weeks roll by. Most of my friends are very fruity indeed. Such fun to have around. Tragedy, like charity, begins at home. The killers don't like madness. Madness likes him. He's got a finger in his face. Oh, saying how it should have been. Now I may do. Lord, if you took a man a gram or two, if you're lucky enough to see it, or if you're lucky enough that you made the trip to see it. Oh, that's it. He's at his peak now, isn't he? His key's busy doing something illicit he can't cry for, but he'll keep his mind busy. The show's taking some time off the gym, but trying not as much as it took on him. The world runs dry, he's water dancing. Oh, to saying how it should have been.
His beak's stuck in the middle of the mall. He's got a whip in the peak, but he's scared of the fall. He's got it made, the rock star. He's off the town, but I don't mean shit in the town this small. He's scared of nothing more than him. The rock is in his head and it's then proceeding. The hang skeleton in his closet, with the fingers at his chin, all screaming how it should have